Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'm going to compare the antutu benchmark between the Realme X2 versus Realme 6 device. And if you're watching first time this video, friends, subscribe to my channel and also to check the links in description also for the playlist of Realme 6 phone and Realme X2 as well, friends. So where I uploaded plenty of videos, as you can see, 179 videos which I uploaded only on the Realme X2 phone by comparing with the other smartphones as well. So you can find even the wallpapers for the Realme 6 as well. So there is a playlist in the description, friends, for the wallpapers. So do check the playlist. And if you have any queries regarding the smartphones, so you can message me in the Instagram, friends. So there is some problem with the WhatsApp number, so I'm not replying to in the WhatsApp. So if you want any urgent queries, you can ask me in the Instagram. And Instagram, I'll be posting all the camera samples which are taken in the Realme 6 phone or any other phone I am using currently. So definitely, friends, ask me in the Instagram and I'll be replying to you all, definitely. And from now I'll be using the Instagram more often, and definitely I'll be trying to post more and more camera samples in the Instagram, friends. And let's get started with the antutu benchmark test. The Realme X2 comes with a Snapdragon 730G processor, and whereas the Realme 6 comes with a MediaTek Helio G90T processor, friends. So which is completely different from the Realme X2 phone. Let me open the antutu benchmark in both the phones. And first thing you can notice is the version is of same version in both the phones, friends. And let me redo the test again at same time. So finally the test has been successfully completed, friends, and let's see the scores. So in terms of the score, the Realme 6 is always the more than the Realme X2 phone, friends, in terms of the antutu benchmark score. So no matter how many times I do, the Realme 6 definitely will score above 2,85,000 every time. And even the Realme X2, occasionally it reached to the 2,80,000, and so usually it will stay around 2,75,000, friends. So overall there will be difference of 10,000 to 15,000. So that's not a big deal. But another thing you need to take care is that in terms of the temperature readings, friends. So initially, if you take a look at here, the temperature got increased by 5.7% in the Realme 6 and 3.4 degrees, friends. So the Realme X2 has stayed very cool in terms of the temperature while doing the antutu benchmark test, but whereas the Realme 6 has some heating problems, I think so. So definitely, friends, I'll be doing in-depth PUBG battery draining test and other tests. So in that test we'll get to know how is the temperature it's doing in the Realme 6. So this is what I noticed. I did a multiple times of antutu benchmark test in the Realme 6 phone, and every time I does the test there will be the increase in of 5 to 6 degrees, friends, every time. So this is the one thing you need to keep in mind. And this is the overall antutu benchmark comparison, friends. And for more videos, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to check the links in description, friends. And you can Instagram me any queries you want regarding the smartphones, and I'll be replying to you all, friends. And see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.